Do you struggle with keeping your pantry organized? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to talk about how to organize pantry shelves with this easy product here on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And kitchen organizing is one of my top requested jobs. And of course, no kitchen would be complete without organizing the pantry. But if your pantry looks like this every time you open it, then I have an idea for you today. So, is your pantry a problem? Without a few key products, a pantry can quickly become a jumbled, disorganized mess. It makes it hard to find things when you need it, so that's not very organized. There are many great tools available that can help you organize a pantry, and you can see some of them here in the after photo. So we have baskets, we have bins, we even have some pop containers. Now, I did another video all about why pop containers can help you get organized, and you can check out that video by clicking here on the link in the upper right-hand corner. But today I want to highlight one of my other favorite pantry products, riser shelves. So riser shelves are also called three-tier shelves, but I like to call them riser shelves because that's what they look like to me. They provide stadium seating for your pantry items. Do you remember back in the day when we go to the movie theater and all the seats were on the same level essentially? It was so hard to see if somebody in front of you was tall. Then they introduced stadium seating. I guess I'm really showing my age here, but stadium seating is elevating everything so that you have a clear view. And this is great when it comes to pantry organization because it makes it so much easier to find items quickly and easily and prevents them from getting lost in the mix or falling to the back in the pantry. So you can buy riser shelves in a variety of materials. Some of them are plastic, some of them are acrylic, some of them, like the one here in this photo, have a more rubberized texture on the top that gives everything a little bit more stability because sometimes just plastic alone can make things really slick. And some riser shelves are stationary, while others, like this one, are expandable. So if you look over here to the right, you could see that this can slide into itself, or you can pull it out further to extend how long the riser shelf is. Pretty cool. So have you ever used riser shelves before? If not, are you ready to give them a try? I'd love to hear from you, so sound off in the comments below. And if you want to see my recommended list of organizing books and products, you can either visit organizingmagic.com/resources, or on my YouTube channel, you can select this playlist, which is up here in the upper right-hand corner, for different videos that I've made about my favorite products. There's also a playlist about my favorite books, so you could check that out in the same place. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.